This is not just a dance. This is Atilogwu, one of the most energetic and physically demanding dances in Igbo culture. A performance of strength, rhythm, and discipline. Atilogwu is known for speed, strength, acrobatic movements, high jumps, backflips, rapid leg walks, strong formations. It is widely believed to have originated around the Udi Hills among the Atilogwu people of present-day Enugu State. Today, Atilogwu is performed across Igbo land, adopted by many communities as a powerful form of cultural expression. Originally, it was male-dominated, but today, both men and women perform Atilogwu. It is performed at important events like festivals, cultural and state events where skill and endurance are proudly displayed. The rhythm is driven by traditional instruments, the ogene, igba, oja, and ichaka. In Atilogwu, the music commands the body. Costumes are vibrant and expressive. Styles may vary across communities, but the energy remains the same. Atilogwu is not just entertainment. It is strength, it is rhythm, it is integrity. Bịanụ ka anyị na-echekwa omenala anyị.